After experiencing a login failure in PUBG, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG website or social media channels to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the PUBG application completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve any temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. A weak or unstable connection can lead to login issues. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of PUBG installed. Check your device's app store or the game launcher for any available updates and install them. Step 5. Clear cache and data. If you're playing on a mobile device, go to your device settings, find the PUBG app, and clear its cache and data. This can help resolve any corrupted files that might be causing the login failure. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.